is composed of the Sun, 8 planets, dwarf planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other objects. Here is some detailed information about each component of the solar system. The Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is a nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma, with internal convective motion that generates a magnetic field via a dynamo process. The Sun's gravity holds the solar system together. The 8 planets. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets are divided into 2 groups: the inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The planets are primarily composed of rock and gas, and each has its unique characteristics. Dwarf planets. Dwarf planets are celestial bodies that orbit the Sun and are massive enough to have achieved hydrostatic equilibrium, i.e., they have a nearly round shape, but they have not cleared their orbit of other debris. The 5 recognized dwarf planets are Ceres, Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Eris. Moons. Moons are natural satellites that orbit planets and dwarf planets. There are over 200 known moons in the solar system, with most orbiting Jupiter and Saturn. Some notable moons include Earth's moon, Mars' 2 moons Phobos and Deimos, and Jupiter's 4 largest moons, known as the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Asteroids. Asteroids are small, rocky bodies that orbit the Sun, mostly in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. There are over 1 million known asteroids, ranging in size from small rocks to dwarf planets. Comets. Comets are icy bodies that originate in the outer solar system and have highly elliptical orbits that bring them close to the Sun. As they approach the Sun, the heat causes the ices to sublimate, creating a visible coma and tail. Other objects. The solar system also contains other objects, such as Kuiper belt objects, including Pluto, Centaurs, bodies that orbit between Jupiter and Neptune, and scattered disk objects, bodies that orbit beyond Neptune. Overall, the solar system is a complex and dynamic system of celestial bodies that interact with each other under the influence of gravity and other physical forces.